Woo, guys, enjoying. I love you, Marian. Idol.
We believe in human rights. That's why we enjoy our rights. Respect others and show them the light.
Grabe.
We have power to decide on what makes us satisfied. Our freedom, choice, and rights to fight.
Woo!
I'd like to make myself believe
Yeah.
that people can engage in business.
Ma'am, sorry kayo niya. Nawala tayo magtingog. Say, singit-singit ra ba niya to?
The right to have education for life
Tagtakas ang kondigidan, sir.
and liberty.
Woo! Papa, ay man na?